Okay, we have all the transactions ready to make this deal go through, right?
Something with your paperwork didn't match up. Are you sure you have everything right?
Let me ask my assistant.
What's up, boss?
Did you ever put the worksheets up to date with my latest deals?
Nah, sorry, I forgot how to do them.
This is ridiculous. It either happens or it doesn't.
Give me a week to straighten out my paperwork. A week, that's all I ask.
Fine, 1 week. And if it doesn't happen by then the deal is off.
I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away.
Hello?
Hi, my name is Caleb. I found your ad on the internet and was wondering if you could teach me sometime soon how to make a worksheet to keep my job and to make sure my boss's paperwork doesn't get out of order again. Would you please help me?
Yeah, sure. I'll meet you in Town Square tomorrow at 1.
Okay, thanks so much. Hi, are you Nicole?
Yes, nice to meet you. So you need help on worksheets, huh?
Yes I do.
Alright, let's get started. You have a lot to learn.
Alright.
So as of now, what do you know about a worksheet?
Well, I know that a worksheet is a form used to summarize the general ledger information needed to prepare financial statements, right?
Perfect! Alright, so now you have the general basics down. What is most important to know is that you fill out a worksheet when the fiscal period is over. It generally is over towards the end of the month. A worksheet is used for many reasons. To summarize the general ledger balances to prove that debits equal credits, and also to calculate the amount of net income or net loss for a fiscal period.
Okay, that's pretty interesting.
Do you know the 4 columns that are on a worksheet?
I think so. Let's see. I know that the first one is a trial balance, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then adjustments next. Then comes the income statement and the balance sheet, right?
Absolutely correct. You're better than I thought you'd be. Now, do you know how to prepare for a trial balance?
No idea.
Alright, here we go. The first step in doing a trial balance is you have to write all the general ledger accounts in the titles of the worksheet's account title column.
Okay.
Then you have to write the general ledger debit account balances to the trial debit balance columns.
That's awesome.
If an account doesn't have a balance, leave the space blank. You're going to draw a single line across the 2 trial balance columns under the last account.
Alright.
This means that each column should be totaled. Then you're going to add up all the trial balance debit and credit columns using a calculator if possible. The 2 columns are the same. Debits equals credits. If the 2 columns are not equal, you have to recheck your math.
Oh.
Write each column's total below the single line, and then you're going to draw double lines across both the debit and credit columns, only if the 2 columns are equal.
But wait, isn't there supposed to be a heading before you do anything?
Oh my goodness! Yes, how did I forget?
Yeah, it's sort of coming back to me now. For the heading you have the company name, what it is, the worksheet, and for the month ended. Did I get it right?
Yes! Alright, so now you have the basics. I have another appointment. Would you like to do this every day this week at this time?
Sure thing. See you tomorrow.
See ya! Hey there!
Hey.
This is my assistant Jesse. He's here to help us.
Hi, nice to meet you. Let's go to work. We have a busy day ahead of us.
Now that you know how to prepare a trial balance, what's next?
Well, that has to be adjustments, because that's the next column over.
Right again! Do you know how to do the adjustment column?
I have a slight idea, but not completely. Can you please explain it to me?
Not a problem. That's why we're here.
In order to have accurate accounting records, some accounts must be brought up to date. In order to determine the amount of the expense, you must subtract the value of the amount used from the amount purchased.
Exactly.
Changes recorded on a worksheet in order to bring an account up to date are called adjustments.
Oh.
Since the assets you use become expenses, you must make changes to both assets and expense account. The ending balance of an asset account should represent the amount of supplies remaining at hand. The amount of the asset that was used gets recorded in the expense account.
Now I understand. Thanks.
You're welcome. Wow, time flies when you're having fun. I have to go. Our session's over. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for your help.
See
Bye.
ya.
Bye.
Oh, hey Jesse. Hey Nicole.
Hey, bud. Let's get started.
Today's the day for income statement and balance sheet, right?
Yes. At the end of a fiscal period, 2 financial statements must be completed using the information from the worksheet, income statement and balance sheet. Up-to-date balances must be recorded in the columns for these financial statements. A balance sheet is used to record information about assets. Steps in extending account balances on a worksheet. Extend the balance of all assets, liabilities, and owner's equity accounts without adjustments to the balance sheet, debit or credit columns. Calculate the up-to-date account balance of balance sheet accounts with adjustments. Subtract the amount of the adjustments from the amount in the trial balance column. An income statement is used to record information about revenue, sales, and expenses. Steps in extending income statement account balances on a worksheet. Extend the balance of all revenue, sales, and expense accounts without adjustments to the income statement, debit and credit columns. Calculate the up-to-date account balance of income statement accounts with adjustments. Add the amount of the adjustment to the amount in the trial balance column.
Wow, it's all coming back to me now. I remember. Thanks so much for your help. Now I won't get fired. I can't thank you guys enough.
Anytime. Call us if you need us. Good work. Bye, Caleb.
Bye.
Did you do what I asked?
Yeah, everything's ready to go and up to date.
Good, I'm glad. Now we won't have this problem ever again.
Sounds good.
Good morning. Is all your paperwork up to date?
Yes, it is. Let's make this deal happen.
Perfect. Sign here.
No, what's the Dougie? I can Dougie.
Okay. It's gonna be awkward right there. Right.
That's not Dougie. That's it.
No,
That's it.
no, to the jerk.
Backwards.
Reject.
What up?
No, I'm going to roll.
You got this. You got filming.
I'm ready. Yeah, why don't you guys hop in this? He's all alone. He's the only one doing it. Porco. He's the only one doing it.